here we have a 555 gram Belcher. Each one of the links is completely solid. Normally on a large Belcher like this, the inside of the links will be all hollowed out and it will have the appearance of being really heavy, but it's actually hollow. Not this one. Solid as it can be. Each one of these could pretty much be a wedding band. Take a look. In fact, probably be too big for me. It comes with a heavy safety chain. In fact, this safety chain is probably bigger than most people's Belcher chains are. This thing's so thick and strong, you could probably use it to tug a boat, pull a car. It comes with a custom made clasp. Something that you never see anywhere else. It's got a figure of 8 that holds in a bit here that slides out. In fact, it can be quite tricky when you're trying to film at the same time. But that slides out, which opens up. And then your link comes out. It's all handmade, that clasp. And I don't think you'll ever see another one like it. And this chain is 26 inches long. There you go, all back together. Bit fiddly doing two things at once. But yeah, 26 inches long this. Pretty certain I've never seen anyone walking around wearing a chain this heavy. Absolutely massive. And just to show you that the weight is 555, we'll have a look on the scales in a second. But if you was to see this in person, you realise how much of a monster it is. It's mind blowing. Right, let's take it over to the scales. Essentially 555. You often see people with heavy Cubans, heavy curbs, but Belchers like this are few and far between. From looking at the links, you can tell it's all been handmade. It's not been churned out by a machine, this. In fact, you can especially tell on this link here, on the underneath, you can see a join. On the top, you'd never notice it. So, not only is it massive, it's all been done by hand.